one doubt has come to me in the WhatsApp group of the school. So let us say that let there be a charge, say plus q. Okay, from plus q there is a disk. Let this disk be at a distance small x from the charge. Center of the disk is at a distance small x from the charge. The radius of the disk is capital R. What is being asked? It is being asked what is the flux passing through the disk, electric flux. Basically this question is from the chapter number 1. Okay, this question is from the chapter number 1. One method is using solid angle, but I have been told that solid angle is not clear that much. So we have to go for alternate method, and that alternate method is taking an elementary ring, calculate the flux, then we integrate. So what we are going to do? We are going to take an elementary ring over here. Say this elementary ring is of thickness. Okay, let me make the diagram first of all. This elementary ring is of thickness dr and its radius is smaller, right? So what is the distance of this ring from the charge? This distance will be under root x square plus r square. Okay, what is the direction of electric field through the ring? The direction of electric field will be in this manner, and the perpendicular to the ring, the area vector of the ring will be in this direction. So basically there is an angle, this is the area vector. Basically this is an angle theta which is between electric field and the ring, right? Moreover, if this angle is theta, then this angle can also be, as clearly seen, it will be theta only. Now what we are going to calculate, flux through the ring. Flux through the ring. So it will be d phi is equal to electric field, that electric field, okay, particular ds dot ds. Electric field, what is electric field? It is at the distance under root x square plus r square from the charge. So electric field will be kq upon under root x square plus r square whole square. That will be x square plus r square only. Dot ds. What will be the area of ring? Its circumference is 2 pi r and its width is dr. So basically it will be 2 pi r dr. This is the area. And now what is the angle between electric field and ds? It is cos theta. Let it be cos theta. Okay, this theta is also variable. Now what we can write? Is anything which is cancelled out? No. In place of k, if we put 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, in place of k, if we put 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, q upon x square plus r square into 2 pi r dr into, in place of cos theta, what we can write? It is cos theta, base upon hypotenuse, it is x upon under root x square plus r square. So what will happen? 2 pi will cut 4 pi by 2 times, and now we'll have the expression like d phi is equal to, what are the things which are left? Q x r dr, q x r dr upon x square plus r square under root x square plus r square. It will be under root, or leave the under root, we can write x square plus r square to the power 3 by 2. Power 1, power half, 3 by 2. And 2 epsilon naught is also there. So let 2 epsilon naught. So this is the value of flux through the ring. Now what we have to do? We have to integrate it for the complete ring. The value of small r varies from 0 to r. Total flux. So phi will be integration of d phi, and it will be integration of qx r dr upon 2 pi x square plus r square to the power 3 by 2, limit 0 to capital R. Now what we have to do, we have to integrate it, right? We have to integrate it. For integrating it, what we need to do, just see q, x, 2 pi, they are constant, they will be out of the integration. So phi will be q, x is fixed, it is not changed, upon 2 pi, these are the constant 0 to r dr upon x square plus r square to the power 3 by 2. Now we have to integrate it. Okay. So for integrating it, what I am going to do, I am going to take as x square plus r square is equal to, say, a new variable t square. Okay. X square plus r square is equal to what? T square. What we can write? We can write that if we differentiate it, then 2x dx, sorry, x is constant, x will not be differentiated. X, the differentiation of x is 0. The differentiation of r is 2r dr. Here it will be 2t dt. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. We are going to have r dr is equal to t dt. Right? So in place of r dr we can write t dt. And in place of x square plus r square we can write t square. So basically when we integrate it, so it will become qx upon 2 pi integration. In place of r dr we can write, in place of r dr we can write t dt. Okay. And in place of x square plus r square we can write t square. T square if we write, then t square to the power 3 by 2 will become t cube. 1 t will be cancelled out. So what we are going to have? We are going to have qx upon 2 pi integration dt upon t square. Now what is the integration of t square? What is the integration of t square? The integration of t square is phi is equal to qx upon 2 pi 1 upon t square. It will become t to the power minus 2 plus 1, it will be t to the power minus 1 upon minus 1. Okay? Or it can be written as qx upon 2 pi minus 1 by t. Okay? Qx upon 2 pi minus 1 by t. But t is not our variable. Our variable is x square r square, basically r. So if it is t, what we can put in place of t? It will be under root x square plus r square. So this integration is phi is equal to qx upon 2 pi minus 1 upon, in place of t, under root x square plus r square, small r square, and limit goes from 0 to capital R. Okay, 0 to capital R. Now in place of r, just put the values. What we are going to have? Phi is equal to, we are going to have qx upon 2 pi. If you put the upper limit, it will become minus. So I'll write it down later on. Now minus will become, I'll write this one. 1 upon, in place of r it is 0, so 1 upon under root x square, it is 1 upon x, minus, in place of r, so it is 1 upon under root x square plus r square. Okay. Now I think this is the 2 pi why I am writing. It is 2 epsilon naught. It is 2 epsilon naught. Please make it correct. It is 2 epsilon, not everywhere. I have written pi by mistake. So it is 2 epsilon naught. Okay. So this is going to be our final answer. What can I do? I can take x out also. So it will become phi is equal to q. When we take x out, then it will become q upon 2 epsilon naught. Epsilon naught. If we take x out, x and x will be cancelled out. We are going to have 1 minus x upon under root x square plus r square. This is what we see around us. Okay. Means this is what the value which is given in the book. Okay. So let me write the numbering also. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third, whole third, and here we have written a bit. So this is your 4 from here to here. Okay, so this is what we have been asked, but this is out of syllabus. I suggest you not to waste your time. Okay, it depends upon you. Okay, if you are preparing for your competitions, if you are going for your JEE, then you can go questions like this. You can go for questions like this. But if your aim is to get passed in the board examination with very good marks, then these questions are not useful to you. Okay, these questions are not there in the syllabus. Okay, so if you are preparing for competition, go for such questions. If you are not, then leave those. Okay, and you know yourself well, right? You know yourself well. You know where you stand. Okay, so prepare according to that. Don't raise your level as at once. Just first of all try to clear your basics. Then after go for such questions. Okay, so this was the question which was asked. Thank you.